Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with the right ingredients for a perfect waffle cake. In this video, I will explain how to make waffle cake. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. This dry mix forms the foundation of your delicious cake. Now, let's create the wet mixture. In another bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 5 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will ensure a tender, fluffy waffle cake. Prepare your waffle iron by preheating it to a medium-high setting. Lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of each waffle section. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until golden brown and crisp. Once your waffles are cooked, carefully remove them and begin stacking them like a cake. You can layer each waffle with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, whipped cream, or a drizzle of syrup. This creates a beautiful and delicious waffle cake. Serve immediately to enjoy its warmth and delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.